Hello guys, my name is Gay from Fredericton Hyundai. I am going to show you how to change the measured temperature of a third generation Santa Fe. This applies for any Santa Fe Sport or Santa Fe XL from 2012 to 2018. So let me show you how to do it. But first, if you see here, says that right now the climate system is in 23 Celsius, and if you see here in the middle of the screen is the outside temperature in Celsius too. So let me show you first which buttons we need to use. We need to use these buttons. This one to change between the options of the screen, this one to go down, and this one to select or enter. So to do it, you need to locate in user settings, then you go down until other features, accept, then go down and go to temperature unit, accept, and then right now it's in Celsius, select Fahrenheit, then go to back, enter, and then press any button, and as you see at the bottom right now is in Fahrenheit, 29 Fahrenheit, and if you see in the climate system is 73 Fahrenheit. And that's it. If you have questions, let me know. Have a great day.